Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can insert the data into covadis 2007. So now let's go. You go in covadis 2D, point topographique, puis tu vas chargement de semis. Okay. Then here, no. It's where you upload your data, the file you have saved in txt format. So you go look for it, then let me choose like this one. Open. After that, so you come, click OK. No to, and the data are saved. So after the data are inserted in the covadis, there you can go and start making your project. Remember that these are topographic maps, they have different elevations.